guys, welcome back with another video. In this video I'm going to review the RiceDroid, and you guys already know about from the title. So here we have the Android 13 finally, and really thanks to the builder for building this one. And let me show you from the settings, and should you update from the previous version where we have the 5.0 and here 5 or 6. I don't remember perfectly, but that was Android 12L, and now we have the Android 13. And let me show you, here is the Rice UI 3.0, and this is for Redmi 7, and of course Tiramisu version is here, and here we have the Android version 13, and we have the Android security update and RiceOS version, and which is 7.5 AOSP based, and kernel use Lineage OS, which is really capable kernel, and by default we have Lineage OS kernel, and other things are as usual, nothing to show. Then we have the system UI, and we have the huge customizations like RiceDroid. I already did the review RiceDroid 9.0, that means Android 13. You guys can check that out. That was one of the best ROM for Android 13 yet. And we have the customization here, and just like system navigation, you guys can customize the navigation peel bar according to your choice and its use. So here is the peel length. Still I have some peel length extra to choose, and we have 100 more and other things. Swipe to screenshots. You guys already know about that kind of customizations. And we don't have the MI sound enhancing asset here. Then we have other things, and security of course, as it is initial build and no Android 13 has face unlock yet. So in future update we will get it, so don't worry about that. And accessibility as well, like as before, Android 13 and Android 12L both are same. Sound and vibration, the customizations are same, just like Android 12L, nothing too new. And here is the battery section, which is a bit different, and the UI just like a bit of MIUI. And you guys will get battery temperature and battery life. Then you guys will get the other things, and wallpaper and style. By default you guys will get and Pixel 7 Pro wallpapers, and here you guys can see the collections of that wallpapers, and huge collections of wallpapers are available in that build. You guys can easily use any of these wallpapers, and some basic colors are available, and wallpaper colors and themed icons and app grid. Then we have the display settings as usual, adaptive brightness and other things are working, and live display is here. If you want to use the reading mode, color calibration and picture adjustment, if you have idea about colors, then you guys can do that. Then we have the colors boosted and saturated, adaptive, whatever you need you guys can select, and double tap to sleep, wake, everything is working fine. I checked everything. Now let's talk about network and internet, and I found one thing is here, and you guys can't downgrade your data, just like preferred network type. We have only LTE recommended, and 3G. You guys can't select 2G because 2G options is not available here, so that's a downside. And the people who always keep using Wi-Fi, they can just downgrade the internet settings, that means the network, to 2G, so that they can get better battery backup, just like me. But I can't save my battery due to 3G 4G, because I always keep using the Wi-Fi. And now let's talk about the huge customizations. Just like RiceDroid 9.0, we have the lock screen on the top and battery info. Huge customizations are available, just like the RiceDroid. You guys will get every single customizations like this. Then we have the miscellaneous on the top. You guys will get gaming space, and I'll show you the CPU throttling results and the Geekbench score, so that you guys can get idea how it will be the gaming performance will be great, no doubt on that. And we have the smart pixels. If you enable smart pixels, you will get better battery backup, and this is a really cool feature. and system boost. You guys can do that, unlock higher FPS in games, and unlimited Google Photos storage, so you guys will get better gaming experience, no doubt. Then you have the notifications. You guys will get huge customizations regarding that notifications. Then we have the quick settings, auto brightness and battery percentage, left, right, huge customizations are there, just like that. You guys can select any. Then we have the hide keys on secure lock screen. If you don't want to open your control center on lock screen, then just enable this one. Quick setting panel style, you guys can change it just like that. Let me show you. It's now like this. If I select this one, how it would be. So let it be loaded, and it will be like this if you select any, and these are available. And now let me clear the thing. Only that jitterness, whatever you say, I found here in that control center. When you just open the control center, you will get a bit lag, not much, but a bit lag is here. If you can sacrifice this lag, then you guys can easily use that ROM, no issues with that. And here is the new UI is available. Just if you click here like this, you will get the pop-up window of restart and recovery, emergency, and other things, and directly you guys can access settings from here, and all the necessary toggles are available, dark mode and battery saver, screen record, and other things. Everything is just fine here, working, no issues. Night light and color inversion, everything is working. And extra dim, and let me show you, extra dim is fine, everything is working, no issues with that. And data users also working, no complaint against any customization. Every single customizations are perfectly working. And then we have the status bar as usual. You guys can see here on the traffic indicator, everything is working. And battery styles, so many styles are available here. Choose any according to your choice. And here you guys will get the regular customization as usual we have. And here is the traffic indicator. You guys just necessary customizations means that the route thing is here. Just enable the traffic indicator and it will work perfectly, no problem. And old signal icon, show notification count, whatever you need, you guys can enable. Then you guys can select sound and vibration as usual. And then we have the user interface, like use font collection, and I always love MI Sense, and here is that MI Sense. Then you guys will get icon packs, all the icon packs, and monet settings, monet theme engine, default vivid colors, paint and snow, whatever you need, you guys can select like this, and you will get vivid colors. And screen of animation like scale and other things, system shapes and Wi-Fi icons, everything is here. And contextual home page, messages, records, app restart. So settings, style, records, app restart. Setting styles also can be changed, just a sushi palette and arcane and OSP material palette, whatever you need. Just let me select one, and setting will just restart, and it will look like this. Here is the setting now and then. So you guys can change that user interface like this. Now let me select that one, and it will again restart, and it is faster. So this is the way you guys can change it. Now let me show you some other things. And here is the CPU sorting result, and which is 89%, I think, which is perfectly better for gamers and other things. And here is the Geekbench score. Let me show you, which is also great, 266 and 1181 multi-core, also great things. And no issues with any banking applications because safety net is passed by default. Net connection is very slow. I know you guys believe me, and I already checked it. Safety net is passed by default, so no issues with that. You guys can easily use any banking application. My net is very slow here, so I can't show you right now. And let me show you again the home settings, and which is Sushi Launcher. By default you guys will get Sushi Launcher, and icon packs can be changed. Just click on that plus icon and download from Google Play Store and use any icon pack. Then we have the home screen here and other things at a glance, and use customizations you guys can say. And dark status bar, if you want dark status bar, then enable that feature. At a glance and extended at a glance, and Google search bar, themed icons, corner radius, and we have app drawer. Then we have the recents, but we don't have that option yet. It's the grid type recent menu, with which we had in Android 12L, but in future it will be added. And miscellaneous, we have the hidden and protected application. That means you guys can hide applications. That's cool. So that's all I had to show you guys. And if you keep using the ROM for some days, and it will be more stable and easy to use. And remember one thing, if you are using the Android 12L of RiceDroid, then don't update, stay on that version and wait for the next update. So thank you for watching.